Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian knit stitch. So to do the Tunisian knit stitch, you will be working between the front and back vertical bar. And this is how we're going to do it. So you insert your hook between the front and back vertical bar, you yarn over and you pull up a loop. Again, the next one between the front and back vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again to the next one between the two vertical bars, yarn over and pull up a loop, and the next one, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, the next one to the end, and then we are going to do the end stitch. To do the end stitch, you need to rotate your fabric towards yourself and work under both of the two bars. You yarn over and pull up a loop. Now, similarly to the other basic Tunisian stitches, we will be working the standard return pass. You yarn over and pull through one loop, that counts as your chain, and then you yarn over and work through two, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, right to the end, which will be the beginning of your project. Pull through two, pull through two. Okay, and that's how you do Tunisian knit stitch.